Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up so sore. Last night we were trying to bring up this dresser. Oh, it still has like the styrofoam on it. It's so heavy. My body is just completely so sore. So I'm gonna do some stretches and then I'm gonna make some breakfast today.
다른 과자 없으세요?
Stretch. Stretch.
저 정도 아니었던 몰랐어요. 현재를 부탁해서.
내가 신고했어. 첫 제자자 브랜드.
I should have filmed last night of me and Blair Sauce Man dragging up 2 dressers up the stairs. One is probably like 200 pounds. That is probably the most scariest thing I've ever done in my life. Today for breakfast, I'm going to make kalguksu because I've been having the biggest kalguksu craving. And I'm also going to attempt to make my own kimchi. Our friend's mom gave us some kimchi that she made and ooh, so good. I miss my mom's food so much. I'm already salivating and this is like raw cabbage. I like all types of kimchi. I like the really fermented ones, the super raw ones. This is gonna be like freshly made raw kimchi and this goes really good with kalguksu. So that's why I'm making it. So good. Taste test. You guys bet I'm making my own kimchi from now on.
괜찮아요. 다행히도 저 사람.
하리씨. 마사지하면서 거기 온 고객들.
Now I got all of this to clean up. Hello everyone, I am off to a yoga class. My body has been feeling very tight and sore, so I want to give it a good little stretch. And I also want to check out this really cool Japanese like kitchenware store that I saw online. Alright, let's go!
Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different.
MTC Kitchen.
Try to take it one by one, baby, one.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like the perfect ramen bowl. Yeah. I don't know what this is for actually. And you can put like little like banchan.
Baby, I miss you too.
They're so nice. I think they used to be real fish. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I'm almost positive.
No, it's not.
Look, it feels like real seaweed. They definitely put a coating. No way someone's making that.
No.
Look at the detail on this
no,
thing.
I'm gonna Google this. No way.
You think someone painted this?
Okay, how much on a bet?
Post yoga smoothie?
Post-yoga smoothie.
Okay. Look at this. You're telling me someone put all these little flakes.
Yeah. No, are you kidding?
Okay,
No,
maybe
it's
that looks a little fake. But look at this.
Get ready to buy me a smoothie,
Look at
girl.
this.
Oh, look here. Look
It's
here.
fake? It's fake?
Hey, now I can't even go, but they are made of plastic, waxes, and resins. Are still crafted by hand.
Look it up again.
Yes.
Look it up again. I'm pretty sure there are some that used to be real.
No. Oh, what smoothie do I want?
So let's talk about hair and let's talk about scalp. And thank you Rated Green for sponsoring this portion of the video. We all know here on my YouTube that I have the world's most sensitive scalp. If I try a product that does not work for me, my scalp will literally flip out instantly. So I'm really glad that these Rated Green products work for me. So they are a Korean vegan hair care brand. This is the cold pressed avocado nourishing scalp pack. And not only does this nourish my scalp, but it leaves my hair feeling so silky and soft, and it also smells divine. Then I apply the leave-in treatment, and this just helps reduce the frizz, prevents hair damage. I love that they are affordable but high quality. I'll leave a discount code for you guys if you want to give it a try. Hello everyone. I am getting ready to go to brunch today. Yuyan dropped a swimwear with the brand, so there's gonna be like a little brunch celebration. So I'm going to that, and I wanted to support and wear the actual swimsuit pieces, but I didn't know how to wear a bikini in public. This is what I came up with. I'm deciding whether or not hair up or hair down. I feel my hair is kind of at that awkward short hair length. Top is from Lukin, jeans are also from Lukin as well. I am all dressed up. This is the final look.
Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind.
I am in Tribeca, and the brunch is at Maman. Michelle. Nice to meet you. So welcome. I know. I thought I was gonna be late, but I'm the first one here. No. She's the first one. Yeah.
And this is, hi, I'm Yuyan, as all of you guys know. Do you do your makeup and everything with this? No. It's just for when you're outside.
When I'm outside, yeah.
It's like, hi.
Yeah.
It's our playlist. Might be
It's definitely not her playlist. There's no Taylor Swift. I just got out of the shower, but I wanted to show you guys how I apply my leave-in treatment. So I have shoulder length hair, which means I'm gonna use about half of my index finger. The ends of my hair, avoiding the roots. I love how strong and thick my hair feels. I'm obsessed. No. Hello everyone. Last night I asked on Instagram to leave some questions for a little chit chat because I've missed these types of segments. I'm gonna get ready and answer some questions. This is also my new little puffy makeup bag. It's so stinking cute. First question, what is your advice to your 20-year-old self? Also don't know if this is the right way to think. I'm not saying I am correct, but I think what I would tell myself is to just not have expectations when it comes to people. I think when you have expectations from people, you kind of set yourself up for disappointment. And sometimes it's a you problem more than anything because those are expectations made by you. For background, I am an INFJ. Take what you will with that information. I'm very particular with people who I gravitate towards. So the people that I trust and love, I sometimes set too of a high expectation from them because I hold myself to a certain standard and I tend to expect that from other people. But the truth is everyone is different and can't expect every single person to be like you. Once I stopped having those expectations, I just became such a happier person, and it really was just working on me. It didn't have anything to do with anyone else. It was just me. Yeah, I think that's what I would tell my younger self. I feel like a lot of my 20s, I felt like I was put down by people that I really cared about, but sometimes you think it's other people, but if you really think about it, it could be you. Lesson learned. Ooh, how to know he's the right one. Juicy. For me, there are a few important green flags that I look for. There's probably a lot, but these are the top. Like I said, I'm an INFJ. I'm a big F. No matter how many times I take this MBTI test, I'm like literally a 99.9% an F. I'm a very emotional girly. I'm sensitivo. So what I learned about myself is I need someone who has a very high EQ, emotional intelligence. I really appreciate someone who has a lot of empathy. As a very anxious girl, sometimes what I'm looking for is not like a step-by-step logical reasoning of how to solve a problem. For me, most of the time, I just need someone there with me to comfort me, and that is something that I really appreciate about Blair Salsa Man. Another one is this person a team player? The person who is the one is going to be your ultimate team member in life. So like, is this person willing to work with me through problems, through the highs and lows, or is one person avoidant, aggressive? Those are all things that I really look at. And is this person able to communicate with me in a loving way? Communication is always the problem in a lot of relationships. It's definitely something that I had to learn over the years. Sometimes you need the honest truth, but there are ways to say it in a loving way. And if all of those things check out, that's a green flag for me. Any friendship advice for introverts? Even as a very shy and introverted person, I am someone who has always wanted to make more friends. And sometimes I would get frustrated at myself, like, Michelle, why do you gotta be so freaking shy and introverted? Just go out there and make friends like a normal person. And like, it doesn't come easy, and I get it. I feel like sometimes the more you push yourself and try to force it, you don't really get like natural interactions and friendships out of that. Like, it really helps to like open up yourself as well. There are some people who are just so gifted and have such a beautiful aura where like, if I'm around them, I just feel so comfortable, and I strive to become that person. Like, when I open up about myself and I show some of the more vulnerable sides of me, that opens the gate for the other person. And like, I think once that gate is open, that is a beautiful friendship blossoming. All of my friendships have started that way, and it only really takes one person to open up. For those people who have like amazing social skills, please let us introvert girlies know. Any other advices? Next question, how does it feel approaching your 30s? Are you ever anxious about it? From what I hear, 30s is very fun and amazing. Generally, I'm excited, but obviously like entering a new decade in your life is very overwhelming sometimes. And for the most part, I'm excited. I'm excited to go into my 30s a little bit more secure with myself and confident, although those are things that are just constantly a learning work in progress. What do you do when negative thoughts overwhelm you? As someone who is on the internet, I have dealt with this my entire YouTube career, and let me tell you, it's so hard to get used to it even after doing this for so many years. You can't help something that is out of your control other than just protecting your peace. And what I learned is that there is nothing more important in life than health, whether that's physical health, mental health. It made me think like, no one deserves to take away my happiness, my joy, my health. No one gets to take that away from me. And if that means I have to take a step back from social media, then so be it. You're the only one that's truly gonna be there for you. Once I start to really understand this concept, it's gotten a lot easier. I'm not saying I'm the best at this now. It's just something I've learned, and I'm still learning. I feel like I'm in a way better place now that I've like really cleared that idea with myself. That is my 2 cents, and I would love to learn more about your stories. I love hearing your stories. Thank you. I got to run though. So I got ready quicker than I thought, and my Amazon delivery just arrived. Dobby threw up on my white rug. It's a new one. It's less than a week old. I don't know, I think Dobby likes to throw up on my new furniture. It looks like, from what I see in his vomit, that he had gotten into his snacks. Dobby's for the most part like such an obedient dog, but he's got his naughty days. This is what's left over, these 2 big spots. It was a lot worse, but I've been using the other stain remover for it, and it worked pretty well, honestly.